Wow. Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. How you doing, sir?
Doing good.
My name's Jacob. Could you tell me real quick what you got in here and your name?
My name is Thomas Bennett. I got 4 18 ZBX2s.
Okay.
I got the FSX 6.5 in the doors.
Wow.
I got 4 SKV2 3500s and 4 the little mini 400.4s on doors.
Is the amps behind the box?
Yes.
Okay, I'll see them after.
But,
Did you build this?
yes, I did.
Very nice. I like the brace. That's different.
Oh yeah.
Where'd you get that from? That's pretty cool.
That didn't work.
Really? And it tightens.
Yes.
That is genius.
It tightens, but it still vibrates.
Still vibrate? Yeah. Every bit helps though.
Oh yeah.
All right. Have you metered it? I forgot to ask you that.
Yes. I done a 158.1.
Really?
in the
Awesome. Okay. Sweet. Was that what frequency were you peaking at there?
I done it at 40.
40? That's good.
It's coordinated. Sealed up, I do 41. Door open, I do 39.
Okay.
I've never done kick till today.
Never did kick? Awesome. Okay.
Yeah. My problem is my voltage. I can't keep my
Voltage?
up.
See the amps in the back?
Yes.
Awesome. Woo. Wow. And then these are at 0.5?
Yeah, they're strapped at 1.
Okay. Whew. It hit me right in the head and I'm like, man. How much is this lithium wise?
This is a 15 amp hour limitless,
Okay.
40 amp hour, and 32 of
32.
head weight.
Oh, different. Okay, different
Yeah.
cell size. I
Yeah.
got it. Okay. Wow.
And then I run a McMahon 240 up front and a D34 3400.
Is there a way I can see the alternator?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Nice. So you have the AGM hooked up too?
Yes.
Okay. You don't have any problems between AGM and lithium?
No, because I drive the truck every day.
Oh yeah, you
So
got it.
It's
Yeah.
not too bad.
Yes, sir. Nice. Thank you for showing me everything, man. Nice to meet you.
You're welcome.
Awesome demo too. All right. Hello everybody, this is Jacob Vile. So a quick little commentary I like to do before the actual demo. Just want to say thank you, Thomas. If he's watching, a really good job he did. Be sure to give him a like for the full walk around. Not every system we get to see everything, but this one we got to see everything. And I hope y'all enjoy those kind of contents where we do that. One thing up front here on the box, he has a double brace. I like that he has a little brace that you can actually stiffen up to make sure it doesn't flex. Anytime you have a big box like this, or even a small box, always recommended to do horizontal and vertical braces. So that's one key thing I wanted to mention for this video. Cool. As well as the inverted mounting subwoofers are for cooling. And we'll look at the back here. He has multiple different types of lithium cells. I don't know how much that actually helps or boosts the system. Maybe y'all can give me some comment section and let me know in the comments what you think about mixing different lithium battery cells. I don't know anything on it. I would love to see y'all's feedback. And anything else y'all want to know about cardio? Check out my channel, a lot of videos. I do daily cardio videos. I hope you're enjoying the videos. And let's go ahead and get back to Thomas's demo. And I hope you all enjoying these commentaries. Stay tuned for more. Yeah, your voltage dropped to like 12.1 or 11.3. Oh, I didn't see that one. Ah, yeah, that's a little too low. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.